With the bands.
So good morning everyone. Alright everyone, thanks for joining today. I know we all have been facing some challenges since we started using the new software tool for task management, and I want to take some time today to talk about those challenges. Our goal is to make sure we all on the same page and can work together to get past any obstacles. We need to find a way to use this tool more efficiently so we can stay on track in the project.
I think the software has a lot of potential. Once we get used to it, it will make tracking tasks and progress so much easier. It has some really cool features that can save us time in a long run, like automated reminders and project overviews.
But honestly, I don't see how this tool is helping. I've been using the old system for years, and it worked just fine. This software seems like a hassle. It's slower than what we had. I'm just finding it hard to keep up with the change. We're wasting so much time just figuring it.
I'm worried about our productivity. I understand that the software has potential, but right now we are not getting much done. I feel like we're spending so much time troubleshooting the tools, and the project deadline is fast approaching. We need to find a way to be more efficient with it, or we will risk falling behind out.
I feel so overwhelmed right now. The learning curve on this software is huge, and it's make everything so difficult and stressful. I already far on behind my tasks because I'm trying to figure out how to use it, the software. I don't know if you could make it on that line.
Thanks for sharing everyone. I hear your concerns. It is clear that there's a lot of frustration right now, and I want to address that. We all have a different experience with the new tool, and I think it's important to recognize that it's going to take some time for everyone to adjust.
Exactly, change is hard, especially when it affects how we work. It's normal for people to feel stressed or confused when adapting to something new, but we have to make sure we address these concerns in a way that help the team move forward. I'm here to support you all through all this process.
Apis, I can see you're excited about the tool. Could you help by offering some guidance on how it works? Maybe you could run a small training session to show the team how to use some of the key features. That way, we can get everyone on the same page more quickly.
Absolutely, I'd love to help. I've been using the software a bit more and feel comfortable with it. I can walk the team through the basics and share some tips to make things easier. I think once we all understand it better, we will be more efficient.
Kama, I understand your frustration. It's tough when things change so quickly. Can you tell me specifically what is not working for you with the software? I want to make sure we find a solution that works for everyone.
I just feel like I'm losing more time trying to figure out the software than actually working on my task. The old system made more sense to me. I don't know if I can keep up if we keep using this tool.
Thank you for being honest. What if we set up some extra 1-hour session for you to go through the tool with me or Apis? We can address any questions you have and make sure you feel more comfortable with it.
It's important to note that resistance to change is normal, especially when the new system feels difficult or unfamiliar. Let's make sure we provide the right support for Kama, and maybe also some clear guidelines or checklists will help as well.
While I am great with the idea getting more support, I'm still worried about our productivity. I think we need to set some clear guideline on how to balance using the software with staying on task. We cannot afford to lose any more time or miss the deadline.
Absolutely. I think it's crucial that we find a balance. We'll set clear priorities for each task and use the software to track progress efficiently. We'll also keep our communication open, and if anyone is struggling, we'll address it immediately. Does that sound good?
Yeah, I think that will help a lot. I just really stressed trying to manage the learning curve and my workload. I don't know if I can keep it up at this pace.
Okay, Malia, I hear you. Stress can definitely impact your ability to focus. We can look at ways to help you manage your workload more effectively. I also suggest taking short breaks and doing some stress relief exercise throughout the day. We will find a way to make these transitions smoother for you. Thank you.
Alright, everyone. I think we've got about some important points to do. It is clear everyone has their own thoughts about this change, but the key is that we're working on it together.
Yes, guys, change does take time, but if we keep talking and supporting each other, we will get it.
Let's just make sure we don't use the deadline. If everyone knows what to do, I think we can pick up.
I feel better knowing there's a plan. It's less overwhelming.
Glad to hear that. Let's take it one step at a time. And remember, we're here to help each other. Thanks everyone, and let's get back to work with a fresh mindset.
Two days after that meeting.
Yes, boss. Why you want to see me?
Actually, since our last meeting, we received a lot of complaints regarding our software too. So I would like you to call Apis because I want to discuss something with you. Okay.
Play untuk ni yang tunjuk ni. Apis, boss want to see you
Right now.
right now.
Alright. Yes, boss. You call me?
Please. Have a seat.
Alright.
Actually, please, I'd like to discuss something important regarding the new software tool that our company has used recently.
Yes, absolutely. Sure, sir.
As you know, since our last meeting, we received a lot of complaints from other teams because of they have faced some difficulties to use the new software tool, but only you know how to use it. So I think this new tool has potential to significantly improve our project efficiency. So therefore, I like you to take the lead to guide the other teams. Basically, I want to prepare a short presentation on how to use the tool and its potential for other teams. You need to present.
Of course, I'm very honored to do that. I have already been playing around with this new tool and I think I'm good at it. No problem, sir.
That's great. I'd like you to present this at next meeting. After that, I want to get feedback for all the teams.
Understood, sir. I will prepare comprehensive presentation.
Alright. Okay, no, I need your help in organizing a meeting with all the teams because I telling Apis to make a short presentation about our new software tool and I want you to get other team feedback.
Yes, sir. I will organize the meeting on the next week. Good morning and welcome everyone. This time I will lead the meeting. Since our last meeting, we have been facing some challenges and share some issues regarding our new software tool for the task management. So today we will be discussing about how we need to use this new software tool. As far as I have known, this tool could improve our tasks. So Apis will now give a brief presentation about how to use the new software tool.
Before we start our meeting, I want to say a few words. The motive of this meeting is to settle all the problems that we face since we use the new software tool and also to keep our tasks on the track so that our company does not fall behind. So please be patient and give your opinion once Apis settles his presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, welcome and hi everyone. Today I will have a short brief presentation about how to use the new software tool. Thank you, that's all from me.
Thank you Apis for your presentation today. So any of you guys has opinion to share with? Kama, can you share your opinion please?
We're a bit concerned about the learning curve. This tool seems quite complex and we're worried it might disrupt our current workflow.
Thank you for your input. Kimi, can you what are your thoughts?
We are very excited about this. The tool seems to offer some really innovative features that could significantly improve our productivity.
So, Camelia, any initial reaction?
To be honest, we're not convinced. We've been using our current methods for years and they've been working well for us. We hesitant to switch to something new.
So, thank you everyone for your valuable feedback. I will compile all the responses and share them with the project manager.
After careful consideration of the feedback from all the teams, I had decided to proceed with the implementation of new software tool. I believe its potential benefits outweigh the initial learning curve and concerns. I'll be providing further training and support to all teams during the transition. Thank you everyone and see you next time.
What? おとぎ話じゃない。僕たちは確かに実在したんだ。